Good afternoon, my dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. So now next our topic is sum of angles around a point. Sum of angles around a point. So children, all this chapter, all the questions are like proving. Prove. We have to prove using our non-theorems. Okay. So this one is like a small theorem, but it is given as a question. Okay. So write the question. Question is, topic you write, sum of angles around a point. Sum of angles around a point. I did not take this, isn't it? This is the first one. Okay. So it is given as a question. It is given as a question. In figure, write the question. In figure, OP, OQ, OR and OS are for race. Prove that angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR plus angle POS equal to 360 degree. There is a figure given in the question. There is a figure given in the question and draw that figure. Okay. Write down the question and draw the figure and listen to me. If you finish it, tell me. If you finish drawing, tell me. Joel, will you turn on the videos? Will you turn on your videos, Joel Jacob?
1 minute, 1 minute.
Emerin, Sriram, turn on the videos. Okay, children, listen. Listen. Are you listening? Are you listening, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen to me carefully. It is a very important theorem. It is, we have to find angle POQ. This angle POQ, POQ. Did you understand POQ? POQ?
Yes, ma'am.
Then QOR, this angle QOR. Then SOR. Then POS. All these angles. See, all these are in a circle shape, right? When you add all the angles, it is a circle shape.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we have to prove? We have to prove that it is 360 degree. Clear, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, for that, for our proof, when you write our proof, we have to draw a construction that is our own. Which, if you draw this, it will be easy for us to prove. So one construction is there. Listen, children, listen to me. No need of writing now. You listen to me. See, children, listen to me. Listen. The construction is that this OQ, ray OQ, we are extending backwards. Ray OQ, we are extending towards left as OT. Okay. So what is our construction? Extend. What is our construction? Extend. Extend which ray? Ray OQ. Extend ray OQ towards left. Towards left as ray OT. Did you understand, children? What is our construction? No need of writing now, Ashik. Listen here, you tell me the answer. Only that. Now, children, did you understand? We have drawn a line over there. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
We have drawn a ray. Now you look at here, After drawing that line, ray, what can you tell about the TOQ? After drawing that ray, what can you tell about TOQ?
A straight line.
Straight line. Okay. Listen, children. We got it as a straight line, right? So what about these two angles?
180.
180 degree, right? So what is the name of this angle? So it is a straight angle. POQ, TOQ is a line. It became a line, right? Isn't it? Yes, children, this one is a straight angle, right? Upper part of the line, isn't it? What is the sum of those two angles? One angle is this. What is the sum of these two angles?
180.
180. Can you name those angles now? Which I marked now. What are the two angles? Yes. This angle. Name of this angle. Name means you give the three letters. What is the name
And
of
POP.
angle
TOT.
T? TOP. Clear? Upper part TOP. Did you understand that? And what about this one? What is the name of it?
And
POQ.
POQ. When you add these two angles, what is the answer?
180.
180 degrees. So that we will write as a step. Now you can write. That. Okay, children. Those two angles. When we have drawn that ray, you got that as a line. So TOQ is a line. Therefore, both that angles TOP plus TOP plus angle POQ equal to 180 degree. That is equation number 1. That is the upper part of it. Upper part. Upper part. That TOQ, straight lines, upper part. Okay, children, that straight lines, upper part. Yes, upper part. Angle TOP plus angle POQ equal to 180 degree. Did you understand that? Yes? Did you understand, children?
Yes,
All of you?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now you take the lower part. Lower part. That also 180 degree, right? Lower
Yes.
part.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
lower part, how many angles are there?
3
Three angles. This one, first one, and another one, second angle, and this one also. 3 angles are there. What is the sum of it? What is the sum of it?
180.
180 degree. Will you name that 3 angles? What is this? Will you name this one? One?
TOS. Angle
TOS. Very
TOS.
good. Angle TOS. TOS plus
Angle SOR.
angle SOR plus
Angle ROQ.
angle ROQ equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. That is equation number 2. That is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now we got 2 equations. Okay, children, now we got 2 equations. Now look at the right side of these 2 equations. Okay. Now what we did actually, how did we get all this? Yes, children, how did we get? When we draw that ray, our own ray, it was not there in the question, but we have drawn it. When we have drawn that ray, we got that as a straight line, TOQ as a straight line. Now we took the upper part of it. Upper part is 2 angles. Angle TOP plus angle POQ equal to 180 degree. And the down part is 3 angles. So that also 180 degree. Now look at the right side of these equations. What are the right side? Right side RHS, these 2 equations
180.
RHS. 180 plus 180, right? 180 and 180. Can we add these 2 equations? Our next step is we are adding these 2 equations. These 2 equations. Okay, children, when you add right side, what answer you will get? 180 plus 180?
360.
360 degree. Okay, children. Now, left side we are just writing only TOP plus angle POS, POQ plus just list it, because top part 2 angles and bottom part 3 angles, we just add and write, just list down, only that. Now instead of changing those angles, you just write totally 5 angles are there left side, TOP, POQ, TOS, SOR and ROQ. So list all those five angles. Okay, children, did you understand? So what was our second step? First step what we did is top part 2 angles sum we wrote as 180 degree. Then bottom part also we wrote as 180 degree. Then when we add these 2 angles, we will get right side 360. Left side all the 5 angles we will write as a sum. Now look at here. Now this is our next step and it is very important. See children, this ray, that ray OT is, we have drawn that ray OT, okay? Okay children, it is our ray. That means this ray OT we have done for our proof. Actually, we don't want this ray. We don't want that ray because it is not there in the question. Okay, children. Now, what is the sum of those two angles? Actually, there was a ray. There was a ray. Now, we will write that TOS, this angle and this angle, as a single angle because that ray is not there, that we have done already. So, we will remove that. We will remove that TOP. See, children, we will remove that TOP. TOP, this angle, TOP and TOS. It is a sum of two angles, but it is a big angle, right? TOP and TOS.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that big angle? Tell me that angle. This
Angle.
angle.
POS.
No. POS, right? This one. Clear? This one. Because that ray OT we have drawn. Because those two angles is a single angle, right? Single angle. When we draw that line, it became two parts. Isn't it? TOP and TOS. If it is not there, that ray, it is not there. If it will become a single angle. And what is the name of it? What is the name of the
Angle
single
POS.
angle? POS. So, we will, in our equation also, we will remove that TOP and POS. TOP and POS. See, I have made a round over there. TOP and TOS. Instead of that, we are writing the angle as, instead of that, we will write angle as angle POS. Okay, children? These two angles we will remove and we will write as a single angle because that ray we have constructed. So if that ray is not there, it will become a single angle. That is angle POS. Now remaining you write like that itself. POQ plus angle SOR plus ROQ. That you write that like that itself. This is our answer. This is our answer. When you just rewrite that, you will get the answer. POQ plus, just write it in an order given in the question. POQ plus QOR plus angle SOR plus POS equal to 360 degree. This is our question. Okay. What was the steps? Do you remember the steps? Do you remember the steps? What is our first step? Yes, children, what is our first step? Anybody tell? Please tell what is our first step.
And we draw a
We
A4.
have drawn a ray towards the left side. And what is the name of that ray?
Ray OT.
Ray OT. And what we did is, on the top, when we have drawn that ray OT, it became a line. TOQ became a line, straight line. And top part is a combination of two angles. TOP and POQ, and it is 180 degree, and that is equation number 1. Then bottom part is a combination sum of three angles, that also we wrote, equation number 2. The next step what we did is we added these two equations. Right side 180 plus 180 we will get 360, left side we will get 5 angles, sum of 5 angles. And what we did is, suppose we removed that ray OT because that we have drawn. So already there are two angles. When we removed that, if it's that OT is not there, that two angles will become one angle, one single angle. That is angle POS. So remove that TOP and TOS and write as POS. Only that. Did you understand now? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, study well. Okay, study well that. And now we are going to do the next question. See children, did we done that reflex angle COE like that one question, reflex angle COE? Reflex angle COE. I remember that we have done those questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Reflex angle, okay. Now A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, find the C. That also we have done, I think. Isn't it? Find the C.
Yes, ma'am.
A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. A is to B equal to 2
Ma'am,
is
we
to
have
3.
done.
What is the answer? Will you tell? Two x plus 3x equal to 90 degree. 5x equal to 90 degree.
Yes,
X
ma'am.
equal to 18.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that question also we had done. Now we will do the next one. Okay, children, write the question. So when you think that this question, when you think it, you will think that it is difficult, but it is easy just to write as accordingly as the steps given. Okay, children, now it is our second question. It's our second question. In figure, if x plus y equal to z plus w, this was not done, right? Not z plus w, w plus z, w plus z. Prove that AOB is a line. 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 I'll draw that figure. AOB is a line. Finish drawing.
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children, listen to me now. Listen to me. Okay? Listen. It is given that in figure x plus y equal to y plus z, prove that AOB is a line. Now look at these angles. What can you tell about these angles? X plus y plus w plus z. X plus y plus w plus z. When you add all these four angles, can you tell the sum?
Ma'am, 360.
360 degree. So that from there we start our proof. Okay, children, when you add all these angles, what is the name? X plus y plus w plus z equal to how much? 360. Just now we have studied the theorem based on that. 316. The sum of angles around a point, how much? 360. Yes, children, did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is given in the question. Now look at the question. Now it is given in the question that
360.
it is given in the question. Something is given in the question. Only one thing is given in the question. X plus y equal to y plus z. What is the meaning of it, children? X plus y equal to y plus z. Sorry,
If we add,
w plus z.
if we add the x plus y plus the angle, then you will get the same angle as.
Same angle, listen. So that means this w plus z is also equal to x plus y. That is the meaning. That is w plus z, no. That is equal to x plus y. Okay, so we can substitute either x plus y as w plus z or w plus z as x plus y. Since we have to prove that AOB is a line, we need x plus y there. So instead of w plus z, you substitute as x plus y because both these are equal. So x plus y is already there in our proof. And instead of this w plus z, we will substitute x plus y because both are equal. So remove that w plus z and write as x plus y itself. Okay, children? So remove w plus z because x plus, it is equal to x plus y. So only one you write. Instead of w plus z, you write x plus y itself. Now how many x and how many y's are there? Check it. How
And
many
2.
x and 2x and 2y, right? Because when we substituted w plus z as x plus y, we got as x plus y as x plus y. How many x is there? 2x. Okay, children,
Two.
how many y's are there? How many y is there?
And 2.
2y. So 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y. And what is the answer of 2x plus 2y? Right side it is 360 degree. Yes, children? And 2 is common here, right?
Yes,
So when
ma'am.
you take 2 outside, what will you get? 2 into x plus y equal to 360 degree. Now what is x plus y?
360 divided by 2.
Yes, 360 divided by 2 equal to 180 degree. Now look at here, what is x plus y? What is x plus y? Just check what is x plus y in the figure. Just check. What is x plus y? What is x plus y? Check.
Only in your pair.
180 degree. So x plus y is 180 degree means what we have to prove?
AOB is a straight line.
Line AOB is a straight line. So therefore AOB is a straight line. I'll use some other ink. Okay, children. AOB, therefore AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. Okay. AOB is a straight line. Did you understand this question? Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only that W plus Z you remove from that and substitute X plus Y. Only that. That is the main thing you have to remember in this. Okay, Jerlyn, will you tell the name of the absentees?
Yes, ma'am. At the starting, Devasena, Joel, Justin, Kshetra were there. Now they left.
Now you tell the absentees. Don't tell
Devasena.
Devasenas and all. Yes, absentees.
Devasena,
Yes, Devasena.
Joel,
Yes.
Justin,
1 minute. Justin.
Yes.
Justin.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Kshetra,
Kshetra. Yes. Yes.
Fagat.
Fagat was there in the starting.
Then he left.
Yes. Then
She's
Only
saying
that
he
much.
left.
only that much. Yes, somebody told something.
Ma'am, she said Fagad left the meeting.
Uh-huh. Okay, children, this was the questions what we have discussed. So, do you have any doubt in this? Do you have any doubt? Now we'll move on to parallel lines and transversal, children. Now, our next question is, next topic is, I'm going to erase this. I hope you finished. Okay, next topic is parallel lines and transversal. Parallel lines and transversal. You have done everything based on that because we have done the theorems and corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, that all things you have written, isn't it? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write this and I will give the next question to you. Yes. First question. In figure, find the values of x and y and show that AB parallel to CD. Children, write fast. It is time to wind up the class. Write fast. There is a figure. Okay. See, we have to find x and y. Did you get any idea? Anyone? See, children, x. We have to find the x. And look at here.
Linear pair.
Linear pair,
Linear
linear pair.
pair.
Good, good.
180
Linear
minus
pair.
50, ma'am.
Good, good. So, we got the answer. It is a very easy question. So, x equal to 180 minus 50. And what is the reason?
Linear
7th standard
Linear
question
pair.
it is. Yes, yes. Linear pair.
130.
And can you tell that, find out the value of y?
130,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
vertically opposite.
It is not 20, 130. What is
Ma'am,
y?
vertically opposite.
Y is
vertically opposite
130.
angle.
Y is 130. Vertically opposite angles. Reason is vertically opposite angles. And we have to prove that AB parallel to CD. Okay. How can you prove AB parallel to CD? Now look at x and y.
And corresponding.
And y, not
Correct.
corresponding. Look at these angles x and y. This is 130 and this is also 130. What type of angle it is?
And alternate interior.
Alternate interior angles. Very good. Alternate interior angles. So these two are equal, means AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. Okay, children. So AB parallel to CD, because x and y, you have to write this reason properly. X and y are the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Interior angles, and they are equal. And they are equal. They are equal. Therefore, AB parallel to CD. So this is the first question, and there are more questions based on this. And it is a easy portion for you.
Okay.
Okay, children. Ashik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I wind up the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
1 minute,
children.
ma'am.
One more period is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
And can you wait?
I'll wait, I'll wait. Okay? Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Signing off.
Are you?
Thank you, ma'am.